Welcome to my channel. Let's do some cooking. Let me show you how to do some chorizos al vino. Let's start with the different type of chorizos. There are Mexicans, Portuguese, and Spanish. They are similar, but they are not the same. Portuguese Chourico and Mexican and Spanish chorizo are both spiced sport sausages. However, Mexican chorizo is fresh and not fully cooked, and Spanish chorizo is half or fully cured. Portuguese Chourico is a smoked sausage, so it's fully cooked and ready to eat. For this recipe, we're gonna need half a pound of chorizo, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, 1 or 2 bay leaf, 1 cup of Spanish red wine, 1 cup of ibérico cheese, half a cup of onion, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, and fresh parsley for garnish. Let's start by cutting chorizos in bite size. Always use the safe knife cutting technique. Now, let's start mincing the garlic. Keep on working that garlic, just be safe with your knife. Mince the garlic and then infuse the oil with it. I'll show you how to infuse the olive oil. Keep on working that garlic till you have it very small. I think that you got it by now. Come on, that's an amazing job you're doing there. Grab that garlic and place it on a wooden mortar or pilon. In a small pot, heat the olive oil, but not too much. We don't want to burn the garlic when infusing the oil. If you burn the garlic, it will taste bitter. When you have the oil ready for infusing, just pour it on the pilon. Now let's start working on the onion. Let's start skinning it. When you're done peeling the onion or skinning it, just slice it, just be careful. Use always a safe cutting technique. Cut or chop that fresh parsley as fine as possible. This is just for garnishing. Now that we have all the ingredients ready to start cooking, place a frying pan or a saucepan over medium heat. I'm using a mini paella pan. Looks cute, eh? Then add the chorizo and cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Stirring the chorizo until it starts to brown on both sides. Flip the chorizos so they brown on both sides. Keep searing them for 3 to 5 minutes. It smells delicious and we haven't even started the whole process. When they are brown on both sides, add the infused olive oil and use a wooden spoon or spatula to scrape any bits of the chorizo from the bottom of the pan. Add the onion slices and mix all together. Add the Spanish wine and the bay leaf. Reduce the heat to simmer and slowly cool for 20 to 25 minutes. Tapas are something that you can put your own twist on. Add some pimentón de la vera or smoked paprika. This will take these tapas to the next level. The heavenly combination of the Spanish chorizos or Portuguese Chourico and red wine heightens the flavor of the chorizo to another level. Keep on stirring and mixing all together. We need to reduce this sauce. Chorizo al Vino Tinto is a simple Spanish tapas dish where you cook slices of chorizos in red wine, giving them a wonderful extra boost of flavor. They're great to nibble along with other tapas for a light meal or snack. We are almost done here. The second twist on this recipe is add the finely grated queso ibérico and cook for 5 more minutes. This will make this tapa recipe legendario. Just mix it all together. This will enhance the flavor of these chorizos al vino. It just smells delicious. This chorizo al vino tinto is a classic tapas recipe for Spanish chorizo or Portuguese chourico in a red wine with my twist. It's common at tapas bars in Spain and Puerto Rico. Very easy to make at home with only 9 ingredients. Pour the chorizos and juices into a dish. Serve with bread for dipping into the sauce. Pair the chorizos with a good Spanish wine. I would recommend you a Rioja like Campo Viejo Tempranillo. Thanks for watching and buen provecho.